Hello everyone, this is ClearCut-Review and I would like to share with you my experience of opening my brand new Makita HW102 high pressure washer. My very first impression is that it arrived really fast and the customer service was really nice, because I was also ordering one extra piece that didn't fit, and they called me. They didn't send it to me. They didn't want simply pull off some more money off me. They called me if I really need it, because it's not compatible with this type of high pressure washer. So it was a really nice experience. First of all, the second day after I ordered, it already arrived, so now I'm going to open it for you. So this is what you see first. This is my invoice, and the another very positive thing about this Makita, that if you register online, you get 3 years of warranty. You get a straight telephone number that you can call, and they come, pick it up and bring it to the service whenever something happens. So this is why it's worth for me to pay a little bit more for this one and not buying something cheaper, because usually you don't get any service. If something breaks, then you just have to throw it away, because you don't get any service, you don't have the parts. But by Makita you can probably go sure that they will have some extra parts and they will help you as much as possible. So this is the tube for the high pressure. The pistol, it is a really small part. The wheels, the connections, and the instructions manual, some extension parts, and the top part. This is where you can put some washing foam if you would like to clean your car or whatever you want to clean with it. So yeah, the cable, by the description it says it's supposed to be 5 meters long, so it's really nice. You can put everything away. I like it. The quality, it feels plasticky, not something very robust, but also not too small and too cheap quality. And this is the part, so you can easily move it. Yep. Right now, this was it for today. And in my next video, I'm going to test it for you, and I will tell you my first impressions about how it really works, how strong it is, how nice it cleans. So see you next time, and please check the other video or subscribe, or do both. See you next time.